In the West, we don't pay much attention to the breath, but it's the main system in our body that reflects stress. One of the best ways to deal with stress, but not well known, is to use the breath. Let me just emphasise how important the breath is. You can survive for approximately 6 weeks without food, 3 days without water, and just 3 minutes without the breath. Deep breathing calms the mind, and paradoxically, a calm mind creates deeper and more profound natural breath. If the breath becomes shallow or irregular, apart from our physical well-being, it affects our emotional balance. So correct breathing not only affects the quality of our life, but also the length of our life. One only needs to look at the lifespan of an elephant or a tortoise and how they breathe to know that for sure there's a connection between a slow breath rate and a long life.